Okay, so now I want to check if this particular product exists in the cart or not. Okay, so for that, let's go to the product product detail view. So if you go to this store and the views, so you have a product detail function, right? So inside this function, we got the single product information here, and after that, let's say in cart, that is equal to, first of all we want to check the cart item. Okay, cart item dot objects dot filter, we will filter it by cart underscore cart id. Okay, so what I mean by underscore is that I'm going to check the cart model here, because the cart is the foreign key of cart item, right? So if I want to show you this, so when you go to the cart app and models.py here, so this cart is equal to models dot foreign key of cart, right? So that's why we want to access the cart first, and with the cart, from here I want to access the cart id. Okay, so that's why we use underscore. Okay, so that's why, so where is it now? Here it is, views. Okay, so underscore cart id is equal to underscore cart id with the request. So this is actually the private function we created that stores the session key, right? So this doesn't come here, okay, like that. We have to bring that, okay, we have to import it. So here just say from where is it? Here it is in the views, right? Here it is, cars cars dot, I mean the carts dot views import underscore cart id. Okay, so now this is available here. Here it is. Okay, so comma, also filter it with the product, right? Product equal to single product. Okay, so if this query returns anything, okay, returns, I mean if this query has any objects, that means exists. Okay, so then this is going to return the true. Okay, true means we are not going to show the add to cart button. If false, then that means there is nothing, that then the product is not in the cart, right? So that's how it works. So what we will do is we will first see if it returns false or true. Okay, for that what we'll do is let's say return http response, pass the in cart variable here, and for now let's exit from the code. Okay, so we should bring this in from django.htp import http response. Okay, this is just to check if we get the true value or false. So let's go to the browser and refresh. Oh sorry, the cart item is not defined. Yes, we should bring that in also. From carts dot models import cart item. So now let's refresh. Okay, now this is returning true, because this ATX jeans is already inside the cart, right? So now let's go to another product. So let me go to this great t-shirt, and this is returning false, right? Because this is not inside the cart, right? So and what about this Jordan basketball shoes? No, false. And only this one is added inside the cart, that's why it is true, right? So now what we'll do is we'll go to here and delete this one, we don't want that, and this one also we don't need. Okay, so we have the in cart and this query is working fine. So now let's pass this item to this dictionary, save this, and we are passing the context to the product detail.html. so now let's go to the product detail.html. okay, so here we want to hide the add to cart button, right? Depending on if the product is added or not, right? So here what we are doing here is we are checking if the product stock is less than or equal to 0, then out of stock is coming, else we are bringing the add to cart button, right? So in this else block only we will make a if condition again, and if in cart, okay, if in cart, then here what we'll do is here the if there is the if the product is inside the cart, then add it to cart, okay, and else this button, okay, and this and if is of this one, okay. So this is the one if condition, and this one is another if condition. So we should close the if here, okay, and the if here, and if. All right, so now this is proper. So here what we'll do is we'll just copy the same code and paste it here. So this time it is added to cart, and the font or some icon should be FA, this is check, right? And check is for it will it will show you the check mark, that means added to the cart. And let's say instead of the primary, let's say success, so that the button color will be changed, okay. And this we don't want to we don't want this button to be working anymore, let's just keep it like that. So now let's refresh. All right, so now you can see this product is already added to the cart, okay. So I also want another button here that says view cart, because that view cart will be enabled only when the product is added to the cart, right? So go to here and copy, paste it. So for the view cart, write view cart, and I want this cart here, C also capital here, C capital, okay. And here for the view cart, what we will do is we will just send the user to the cart cart page, and the font of some icon will be I, okay. So this should be fine. Let's refresh. All right, so I don't want this color to be success, okay. So what I'll do is I'll make the outline primary, save this and refresh. All right, so now this is, I think, okay. Okay, so the same way let's add another product here. Okay, though, so this is out of stock, and let me add this jacket, add to cart. So this is now added to the cart, and if I go to the product page here, so now you can see added to cart and view cart. Alright, so that's how it works. Thank you.